哎呀妈逼的，气的！
You realize the song is for you, but you have no idea how to blow out a candle with no thumbs. I was ready to pounce until I realized the mouse has a better protective shield than a medieval knight. Someone tell this cat that 4K resolution is not an open door policy. This is why cats have trust issues. Exact moment the catnip hits and you transcend into the 5th dimension. That last frame is a level of peace I can only dream of achieving.
The point of anything.
I knew Ross Geller was a lot to handle, but I didn't think he would actually cause someone to jump.
What?
You try to say goodbye, but your cat has already decided you are staying for the sequel. You realize your friend's lunch choice was a huge mistake, but it's too late to turn back. That instant regret hits different. I think your dog might have been a personal trainer in a past life. He is really committed to that. Your human asks who broke the expensive vase, and you have to act like The Rock did it. The orange cat DNA kicks in and you suddenly forget how to cat. When you tell your coworkers you your reflection starts matching your energy and you realize you finally met a worthy opponent. Child lock was a challenge. Now it is a personal insult. Convinced there is a single treat in there and he is currently one away from a felony. Mission Impossible Temptations Protocol. Transition from I. Telling him that the treats don't pay for themselves, but I think he took the lecture a little too literally. My cat is currently more liquid than I am. Your dog realizes that standing on 2 legs doubles the chances of a snack falling, but still hasn't figured out that your husky's internal GPS and basic physics both fail at the exact same time. 1 second you are a majestic wolf of the north and the next you are a soggy bag of flour.
Ella va bien.
Intrusive thoughts finally won. Starting my bathroom renovation one sheet at a time. I guess the beach is just a...
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no.
You are trying to be a refined indoor cat, but the call of nature requires the structural support of a literal toilet. Precise moment. Masterclass in betrayal. 1 minute.
Nope, I'd rather go for a truck ride.
Cat spent 3 years at the academy learning the art of the hunt only to be outmaneuvered by a mouse that literally requires... I think my human's feet finally reached a level of biohazard that even my loyalty can't handle. That smell is a... exact moment a designer cat bed becomes a... Truly impressed by this Shiba Inu's commitment to both hydration and high-speed delivery. This pup is out here living in 3026 while we are still carrying... The moment you realize your fluffy roommate is actually a tiny Victorian ghost trying to reclaim the duvet. The driver is a golden retriever in the... Your cat forgets how to cat and accidentally switches to spider mode. At this point,